Happy Monday, everyone. I am the Savage from MilwaukeeSpy.com here with your weather forecast. Sorry, it is 8:95 Monday, August 29th, 2022. It is actually about 75 degrees outside. Sunny with winds at 3 miles per hour south-southeast. So, we have a high of 94 and low around 69. So, for today, mostly sunny with winds 10 to 17 miles per hour. Like gust as high as 25 miles per hour. And tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely. Otherwise, mostly cloudy with winds 5 to 8 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. I sure hope we get the rain because we need it. Enjoy your day and thanks for watching. Bye!